white. Swim, swim, swim through the deep blue sea. So many seasons for you and me. For A to Z, come sing along. With ocean animals in a song. M is for manatee, gentle and round. N is for nautilus, spinning all around. O is for octopus, clever and shy. P is for pufferfish, puffing up wide. Q is queen angelfish, royal and grand. R is for ray, who glides over sand. S is seahorse, so small and sweet. T is for turtle, with flippers on his feet. U is for urchin, prickly and round. V is velvet crab, snapple on the ground. W is for walrus, with tusks so wide. X is surfactinus from the ancient tide. Y is yellowtail, speedy and bright. C is a shark with stripes of white.